Namaskar. I'm Amrita Chauhan and I'm going to be suggesting certain games that can be played for fun as well as learning. These games can be used by parents to play with their children, teachers to play with their students, and children themselves to play with each other or their siblings. The best part is that these games do not require much, so they can be played anytime, anywhere. Game number 1, called Memory and Observation. A picture can be shown and asked to be observed for 15 seconds. Now this picture was of the classroom. So you can ask them what was the time on the clock that was put on the wall. Yes, it was 9 o'clock. How many students were there in the class? Come on, can you guess? Yes, you are absolutely right. There were 5. Then you can ask what was kept on the shelf, a flower pot and globe, and so on. Like this, you can show many more pictures of a restaurant, an airport scene, railway station, garden, and so many more things. In case you're traveling, you can even ask the child to tell you which car passed by or something like that. And in case you can't take out any pictures, you can use any magazines, any newspaper cuttings. That's up to you. Now, game 2. Words that begin with the same alphabet. You can show them a picture. Is a park scene. You can let it be there and you can ask them to tell you all the things that begin with B, like building, boy, ball, badminton racket. You can ask them that what other things begin with B but they are not there, in the sense in a park or a garden. It can be butterflies, bees, bench, bushes, babies, even balloons. I mean, some people just get balloons, and so on. Like this, you can even ask them without showing a picture what all things begin with T in a school. Say table, teacher, or maybe begin with S, switchboard, or in a restaurant things beginning with S, spoon. So it can be with a picture, it can be without a picture, but you can tell them to stimulate their mind related to words that begin with a certain alphabet, in a particular scenario, say a birthday party or a house or a park, like we did it. And the alphabets can be many more, maybe a hospital. Now, game number 3 is dumb charades, which is very simple. We all have been playing. It can be played online also. Say, you are the person who's going to act. For example, yes, I'm peeling and eating a banana. So you can go a little step further. It can be a little hard. You can climb stairs. You can watch something. You can take a shower, and there can be so many more things. This is fun, and again, there's a lot of learning, and children are at least not on the gadgets. Game number 4 is search for the things that you have in the house. Say, get 5 things beginning with P. So maybe a child can get paper, pencil, painting, any other 2 things that they can think of, or get some 5 things beginning with S, or 2 things that you wear during summers, or 3 things, or any 1 thing that you wear which is black. So it can be a black t-shirt, black shoes, black sunglasses. So you can be creative and you can modify it according to your timing and your place, your need. And maybe if you get bored with one kind of game, you can just change it. Now, game number 5, which is again very interesting. You can give a full spelling of a particular word, which this game is called take out words from a bigger word. Like you gave helicopter. right? So now children have to take the alphabets of HELICOPTER and then form new words like ROPE, rope. Similarly, they can use all the alphabets and they can keep forming more words. You can give words like environment, bigger words which children have more alphabets, say aeroplane or alligator. Yes, some are very tough, some are simpler. So these are the 5 games that I'm given you. Now please play it. Please like this, subscribe this, and put your comments on if you played, how you felt, did you enjoy? Because if people are playing and they are enjoying, then I have many more games. This is part 1 and I'll be adding on more videos which will have more games that you can play. So please keep telling me if you're playing them at home, and I'll be happy to put on more videos. Bye bye, have a great day. Thank you.